Enhypen would like to collect memories, decline or connect. Alright. Like literally I have no idea what I freaking bought. It was just like, oh, memories, okay, Enhypen, great, yes, great. So I bought it. So like at first they dropped and I bought a set, right? And I was like, what the hell, I don't know what I'm buying, but I'm buying it. Yes, on time, yes. And then I look back and I'm like, wait, why does that one look different? So I bought something else. Now there's 2 boxes. Yay! I'll just open all the boxes. See, I don't know what the fuck I got, but they look different. This one's white, this one's gray, and I was like, But anyways, I have no idea. So we're gonna find out. Yeah, see, I didn't understand, so I bought both of them. Yeah. I'm assuming these are the same thing. Because they look the exact same. There's photo cards in these things? I didn't even... Oh my gosh, a photo card holder too. I got a Nikki one. Wow. This reminds me of like that TikTok video where the girlfriend sent like she made a book out of her text messages with her like boyfriend or whatever. Look at them. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sanu. Please. How cute. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How cute. The N o'clock episodes. Friends list. Special thanks to Engine. I bet Nikki blocked everyone. Anyways, I can't believe I got a Nikki photo card. Let's see who's in this one. Universe. Universe, please. Universe. Universe. Why? Why do you tell me? What are you trying to tell me, universe? Anyways, I got Nikki and Jay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. This one's first. Oh, I thought this was a ribbon at first. Oh, what the heck is going on here? Why is it like this? Why is it like this? Headband for like really small heads. Is that their names on there? I can barely see it. Is this the code? Yes, yes it is. I have a feeling these are the same exact thing. One's just like a DVD version and one's like just a code one. Right? Am I right? Or like, probably. Anyways. I don't know if you can see everybody. Let's look. And it just says their name. I guess you can't really like, they're not perforated to be ripped apart. But yes. Oh my gosh. And then that's it. Este libro. Wow. 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 Sunki and Jaewon, please. Oh my god. The love triangle. Please, Jaewon. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Their little vlogs. So cute. Look at that sun. So cute. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the hell is this? A little Polaroid. Oh my god, it's the Sunki hand holding picture. That's so cute. We get it in a fucking Polaroid. How cute. We get a photo card? What? Why is the universe telling me I'm a J stan for some reason? Oh my god, what the heck is this? They look so good in this. Thank you. They look so baby. They're so cute, little babies. Wow, look at these. The visual line. All of them. Oh my gosh. Jake, please. Wow, pre-debut and Island. Ice. This is probably the same thing but DVD version, right? Right? I'm right, right? I'm probably right. Girl, this looks cute right here. Okay. Oh, they have little messages. Cute. It's the same thing. Let's find that. What the fuckity fucks? Yes, but why? The universe. ¿Por qué? It really do be the DVDs. Girl, how am I supposed to play this shit? I don't even got a DVD player. I did not understand what was going on. But when I do get a DVD player, yes. I mean, at least I'll have the physical DVDs when I lose my Weverse account for some reason. Anyways, apparently I'm a Nicki and Jay stan late. Are you a Nicki fan? What am I a Nicki fan?